Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate trading analytics with TradeSanta, full guide step by step clearly. To start automating trading analytics with TradeSanta, first, visit the TradeSanta website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Navigate to the Integrations section to connect your exchange account. Select the exchange platform you use, such as Binance or Coinbase Pro. Follow the prompts to enter your API key and secret for the exchange. After successful integration, head over to the Bot section to create your trading bot. Click on Create New Bot to begin the setup process. Choose your trading pair, such as BTC/USDT. Specify your trading strategy, whether it's long, short, or a grid strategy. Set your investment amount for each trade. Configure your take profit and stop loss parameters according to your risk tolerance. Decide on the trading frequency. Options may range from every minute to every hour. Review your bot settings and ensure everything aligns with your trading goals. Once satisfied, save the bot configuration and activate it. Your trading bot will now operate based on the criteria you set. To analyze your trading analytics further, go to the Analytics section. Here, you can track metrics such as profit, loss, and overall performance. Review the charts and graphs for a clearer understanding of your trading trends. You may also adjust your bot settings based on the performance data you gather. Consider revisiting your strategies regularly for optimization. Maintain a close watch on market conditions to ensure your bot is aligned with broader trends. With TradeSanta, you can enhance your trading efficiency and stay informed. Continue to refine your approach as you gain insights from the analytics. This process will help you achieve better results in your automated trading journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.